You and who did that?
I'm recording.
Lily!
What? Oh, hey! Gabby, what is that? Gabby, what is that? Who would put that on your truck?
You.
Girl, why you lying?
Dude, it's the Kyle's car, not mine. Haven't you learned anything?
Yeah.
How to draw penises?
Yeah. look at your antenna. Your antenna. I didn't do that. That wasn't me.
That was Daniel, wasn't it?
Daniel and Guillermo.
Oh
and
my
me.
god! I'm gonna kill them.
What do you got in your hand there, Gabby? That's a lot of dick. You got a lot of dick in your hand.
I got a lot of dick in my life. I don't want to know this anymore.
Alright, I won't tell you. Do you even know whose truck that is? Okay.
They don't even know how to park.
Did you like that? I wasn't supposed to tell you, but I couldn't stop laughing.